Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this next video, it's a quick power exercise for those of you who are doing a lot of Fajin work and want to develop internal power, want to open up the joints, get the elasticity and get electricity running through your body. So very, very simple. You do the pore breathing exercise first. You're building the ball until you can get your whole body into that feeling you get between your hands. Building the ball is focusing your will on your breath into the stretch into the space between your hands until you get this magnetic quality forming. And then you pore breathe that magnetic quality throughout your whole body. So this exercise, we put all the weight onto our back leg and we empty the front leg out. We get the muscles nice and floppy. We vital breathe through the pores and float the whole body into that vital energy feeling. So when you discern the energy, you identify, I am this energy. And then once you go into I am this energy and you start applying your will to breathe in and out of this body, your physiology changes state. You get into a very loose, elastic state. Now, once you empty the muscles in this leg, I gently want to stretch the leg. So stretch your leg out and vital breathe into it. And then just pop your heel forward. So from here, we just pop the heel. And then we feel the ground with the heel. We start transferring our weight down through the heel onto the ball. And this creates a foot pump as you pump from the heel to the ball. So I want you to come relax the weight onto the heel through the stretch, onto the ball, and pressurize the ball between your hands. Then relax back. Empty the leg, stretch the leg, tune the fascia to the feeling of life force in the leg. Relax your body weight onto it and then compress the ball between your hands. So now you're on the heel, now I'm on the ball, now I rock forward and the heel starts to float upwards. Relax back onto the heel and then let's just rock forward and backwards. Each time we rock, we compress the ball. And then we keep rocking further and further forward until all our weight is arising and we rock back. And we speed that up into a shunt. Rock back and shunt. So you're continually whole body pore breathing. But what we're doing as we drop, we have the feeling of life force, the muscles are hanging, the joints and everything are stretched open. And our body weight hits the joints and pumps the stretch out and creates an electric jolt through the body. And we're using the foot pump to regulate that. So from the foot pump, it compresses the base. We hang the tailbone down onto the foot pump. The spine stretches. The spine creates a pulse. And we manage that through all the joints of our body. And we build this electricity in our body. Once you're at that stage, then stretch, hit, and 3 seconds float that energy out, vibrate, and then come back. 3 seconds, stretch it out, vibrating, come back to the ball, float back. Each time you do it, you're grounding your awareness in the feeling of energy, you're tuning the fascia, stretching the joints open, using gravity to hit the foot pump, go from heel to ball. The tailbone fires down onto the foot, the spine stretches, the spinal fluid pumps, and gravity passes through this line from your crown to your foot and you pump energy. You start working with vital energy. Then you move to the concept of chi. You breathe, you release time, you slow everything down nice and slow. And then as you drop, you push a wave of chi. What's the difference between chi and vital energy? Chi is vital energy slowed down and given a personality. Whatever intrinsic energy you're working on, let's say if it's a ward-off energy, you send the ward-off energy out. If it's a roll-back energy, you can create an inner vacuum and pull the energy back magnetically. Whatever personality you want to add to it is fine. The idea, tune the fascia, put gravity through the fascia, get the foot pump and the tailbone timed so you get the spinal fluid pumping, and regulate your weight through the joints and bang the joints open to create an electric pulse. And then refine that electric pulse and tune it to the personality of the intrinsic energy you want to work with. Slow it all down, release time, then touch your partner's base and practice bouncing your partner with that energy and refining the mechanics. Every level has a mechanical reflection in the physical, has a mechanical reflection in how you tune your body to the fascia, to the feeling of life force. There's mechanics in the personality, astrally. There's mechanics in your mind. So look at the 3 dantians, align them to what you want to do, and then make it happen. Okay, so there's more details in this exercise on my Vimeo channel. You can have a look there if you're interested in it. Thank you for your time. See you on the next video.